Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to automatically convert numbers to words in Microsoft Excel. First, you need to activate the Developer tab. If you do not see it at the top of your Excel window, go to File, then Options. Click Customize ribbon, check the box next to Developer, and click OK. Next, go to the Developer tab and click Visual Basic, or simply press Alt and F11 on your keyboard. In the New Editor window, click Insert at the top, then choose Module. Now paste the conversion code. I have provided the complete VBA code in the video description below. Just copy it, paste it into the blank white window, and then close the Visual Basic editor. To test it out, click a blank cell next to your number. Type the equals sign, then type the word SpellNumber, open a parenthesis, click on your number cell, close the parenthesis, and hit enter. The number is instantly converted to text. You can click and drag the bottom corner of that cell down to apply it to your entire list. Finally, to make sure this keeps working, go to File, Save As, and change the save format to Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct tech tutorials.